everybody. So it's about 5 p.m. November 14. So with the time change, it actually looks a little brighter on the video, but it's actually a little bit darker in reality. I hate this time change, but I think sunset is roughly around 5:30, but it's impossible to tell since it's very overcast outside. However, I should have done this video 2.5 years ago, but since I moved in, busy with fixing up some of the things I wanted to fix, busy on weekends, making videos, doing the YouTube channel, so I have not done this video since I moved in, but I kind of feel like I want to start looking at the deeper sky objects or some deep sky objects, and so far I've been just limiting myself when I'm home to the sun, moon, and planets and a few deep sky objects. But let me show you what I'm talking about. So from my backyard, as you can see, I got one street light there. There's another one kind of hidden behind a little bit of a trees, but not much. Then there's one over there. It's kind of hidden behind that tree over there, unless I move. Then I have this one here, this one here, this one here. That one there is kind of being blocked by that tree, but I have that one and then that one. So I would say that's a lot of street lights hitting me. So I think I have a very good solution, which is blocking light pollution or ambient light. And here's a video of how I'm going to tackle it. I know other channels. Yeah, I think that light is a little bit better this way. I know a lot of other people and other YouTubers and other YouTube channels have tackled this, but here's my way how to do it, and this is what you need. I'm only going to do one small part every day type of thing, because this is going to take a few hours. I would say this is going to take initially, let's say 1 to 2 hours, which isn't a lot of time, but because it's getting dark, I'm gonna have to do it in stages. But also these blockers, because this is a condo townhouse corporation, I will not be able to leave these things up. You'll see, because someone will complain. So this is something that you can take up and down every single time you observe. Now, literally, I think it's gonna be less than 10 minutes once it's set up to take it up and down. But the initial time to get this organized is going to be 1 to 2 hours. So this is what you guys are going to need. Okay, so the first thing you guys need is I need 4 of these, because I need one over here in each corner. I need 1, 2, 3, 4. I got to make a box. Now, if you guys just need like just one wall, even easier. And then you decide if you need an 8-foot wall, 10-foot wall, 12, 14, whatever size wall. But for mine, I need 3 walls, right? 1, 2, and 3. If you guys need 1 wall, you need even just 2. So for me, I need 4 of these and 4 of these fence posts. Now, I have the tarps downstairs. I haven't brought it up, but I'm just going to show you the first initial part. These also cost, I believe it's like $8 each at Home Depot. Now, I bought these 2.5 years ago, so I don't know if the price has gone up since COVID, but check. These are just 2-inch diameter steel poles, and you just stick them in the center hole. So you just go one, 2, as you can see. 3, 4. Okay, this is going to be the end of part 1, because again, it looks kind of light, but it's starting to get a bit dark. I'll continue it tomorrow. So as you can see, It's just the concrete. I put these poles in between. I don't care if this is exactly straight or not. However, yeah. There's the second one. Third pole, hopefully you can see it. And then the fourth pole. So tomorrow, let's get the tarp. And I'm just gonna tarp 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you guys will see how much darker it will be. Oh, one more thing. So for now, I'm just gonna leave all the concrete pads on the floor. I'm just gonna put those poles lying down, either over there or wherever. It doesn't really matter, so no one sees it sticking up. Later on, that's what you do. You just pull them out, you roll them up, and then you just put it aside. So that's why I said 10 minutes later on. Hey guys, so this is probably about a week later. We had a first snowfall, and it was a good half a foot. It's almost melted now, except for a few areas, but I got 2 tarps here. Don't remember the size, so I'm gonna roll them out and kind of see what size. Hopefully, I have enough. I need actually 3 sides, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, I got Angela's here today, so she's gonna actually help me hold them out, and that will actually be easier. Okay guys, so this tarp, I only have 2. This tarp is 9 feet, 9 by 12, so it actually does not make sense. This is like a 7 or 8 foot pole, but it's going a little bit down. So all I need is 7 foot here, but really there's no point me having even a tarp down this side because the fence is actually blocking most of that light. So I figure I'm gonna cut this guy in half, so it's gonna be 4.5 feet. So basically it's gonna be something like this, just really the top half. So this one tarp would be enough for here and where that side. Okay, so we're gonna cut this thing in half. Okay, so I'm just gonna duct tape as well because I don't trust only the ties.